Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember in my last video I said I was going to share the current projects I'm working on in the past hub. In this video I'm going to walk you down the prototype flow for the users on the mobile application that I'm working on. So who are the users in this scenario? The users are the employees and housemates of the developers hub. What the application is trying to achieve is that it's going to help the users to manage their activities while in the hub. So if you're a new viewer, I would like you to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. And if at the end of this video you find value, I'd like you to drop a like and share this video to someone who is my interest. Thank you. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into it. So this is the splash screen for the mobile application. I just restarted the flow, so it's loading. Voila! For new users, you get to get started, and if you've already known what the application is about, then you will log in. So I'm going to click on the get started. Yeah, so this basically tells the user what to do on the app, what the app does. So if you're a new user and probably you don't know what the application does, this helps you get started. So we'll click on next. And then we'll click on login. So you get to put your employee ID here, and then you continue. So you're going to get a verification screen. You have a verification code sent to you. So once you get that code, you just input it here, and here. And then if you don't fill it in before the countdown, you can resend, and then you get sent another verification code. So once that is done, then you can authorize here. Yeah, so this is the dashboard. So you get to see a friendly notification, good morning, good afternoon, or good night, no matter when you log in, and you get to see your name and your role in the hub. Then we go back to the menu section. In this section, these are the features of this mobile application. These are everything that the mobile application does, right? So the first section we'll go to is the task feature. So here, users can view the task that has been assigned to them. They can filter by date, by completion, or by who assigned it to them. And they can also search for tasks just by the heading. And then if you want to view your tasks, you click on any one of them, and then it takes you to this screen. So what this screen does is that it shows you the name of your tasks and maybe a little description, the start date, the deadline, and who assigned you the task. So I just designed this part of the application to be very simple so it doesn't confuse the users. Over to this section, we have the task outline where users can add their tasks. So if you've been given a task and you're working on probably 6 phases of the project or of the task, so you get to impute these 6 stages. So first of all, we have the research phase where you make research, probably you design wireframes and prototyping and all of that. So as you're ticking your outline, this progress bar is getting full. So by the end of the day, if you're done with your tasks, the progress bar is going to read 100, then you can mark as done. Also, you can add outline. Probably those 6 outlines are not like enough. Probably you want to add more outlines, you can do that. You just click on the title and then you add it. You can also shuffle between outlines here just to rearrange them, and then you click on done. And then the progress bar changes also. And then once your task is done, you can also mark as done. So congrats, your task has been completed. Then you can also add comments to your task. I have received the task, and then someone writes, all right. So this is about the task feature. So next we go to the housekeepers feature. This housekeepers feature, I designed it so that you can contact any of the housekeepers very quickly. So here we have the chef, we have the housekeeper, and the security guard. So if you want to notify the chef, you can just click on his profile here, and then you get prompts. So these prompts are for easy notification. So you can just tell him that you will need a drink from the kitchen, and then when you send it to him, he responds by saying all right. So you can also record and attach files and send to the housekeepers. So the complaints feature, this feature basically is for complaints. If you have any complaint in the hub, probably you want to report an issue, then you can come to the complaints feature. And for instance, I'm going to give an example for the technical issues. Probably you're having a technical issue, you want to report to the admin, then you come here and then you type it. I want to complain about the system I use for work and all of that. And then if you want to attach photos, you can do that here. And then you have to choose who you want to submit the complaint to. I'm going to submit this complaint to the CTO, and I click on submit. So success, your complaint has been submitted. Then I'm going to head back to the dashboard. Okay, here you can view the complaint history of complaints that you have given to the admin. So you can either delete or you can view them here. Then you can also go back to the dashboard. In this housemate feature, you can view all your fellow colleagues in the hub. For example, you want to chat with your fellow colleague, and then you click on this and then this happens. Then you can fully chat with your colleague. In the ongoing tasks section, this is where you can view your current tasks, the current tasks you're working on, and if you can easily access your tasks from here. So probably you want to check out your mobile app tasks that you're working on. You can just click on it and then it takes you directly to your tasks. You can also head back to the dashboard after that. Then the nav bar, we have the conversation button. You can go to the conversation screen and view your conversations with either your team or individual colleagues of yours. So next is the conversation screen. So in this screen, you can communicate with your team and you can also communicate with individual colleagues. And next we have the group chat screen. So this screen directly takes you to your team's group chat. So right now I'm on the UI UX team and this is my team group chat. You can see here. On the profile screen, you can just view your name, change your profile picture, and log out. So once you're done using the application, you can just head over here to log out. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes. It takes you back here. can drop your comments in the comment section and I get to see, and probably the winner will have a prize. So thank you for viewing, and I want you to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel so that you can get more videos like this. And I'm also going to be sharing the admin flow for this particular app. Just turn on your notifications and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. To support this channel, you can drop a like and share this video. Thank you so much for staying with me to this moment.